the OBBY. Okay. I'm not buying alcohol. Okay, that one didn't count. That one didn't count. I plan on not dying more than twice this whole normal stage round. I can't die one more time. Okay, I can't die anymore. Okay, this one is gonna be... Okay. Okay, can't now that has the -1 for the next. I really hate these wall Hey, that was fire. I did that. Ooh, okay. I didn't mean to touch it. This one's not that bad. This is shouldn't die. Yeah, next stage. I can only die once because oof. I'm bump it up to twice. It's getting all difficult. It's getting all difficult. Yeah, I'm doing great. Forgot to jump there. Kind of made me look stupid. Okay. Oof, I can't die anymore. Ah, yikes. Oh, I ran in the wrong direction. Okay, ignore my language. I'm gonna put that in the caption because I Whew. It'll all be normal soon. Just like 2 more rounds of difficult. They did update this game, I think. So I haven't played it in a while. There might be new stages. Oof. That's a minus for the 3 next round. Okay. Now we have 2 next round. That's not bad. Go. It's just got darker. This is fine. Frankly, I think this stage, like extreme, is sort of easier than the other one, which is like difficult. Okay, one more. This is what Jack feels like on the Central Circus. Like I'm tweaking, look at me, I'm tweaking. So that was ridiculous. Okay, I'm saying things. Actually, I only died once and I died like... I'll check that out after. Okay, I don't know what I'm supposed to do in here. I'm gonna follow the path. What I don't... Oh. That would have been more helpful before I died again. Now I have to minus that from the next one, which the next one is if I do say so myself. Fridge. You're so gonna be cooked. Okay. I mean, why am I saying we're like? Oh. Okay. This is just normal. Right? Oh. It's just the stages all over again. It's normal. Just don't look at their words. It's normal. Guys, I don't know why. Like, it's not scary. It's literally just a normal obby. I don't know what any of y'all are talking about. Oof.
This is the rocky. This is the rocky. This is the rocky. This is the rocky. This is the rocky.
It's fine. I haven't seen this yet. Is that it? Oh. Well, stay tuned if you want me to get the good ending. I shall do that another time.